see based on the title and thumbnail, y'all know I'm thirsty as hell to get this done too, man. I ain't gonna sit here and lie. I've been literally moving and grooving in this demonstration with nothing, like silence in this demonstration. Hold on. Been moving and grooving in silence in this demonstration, man. I ain't gonna lie. I just wanted to get it done by my mans. I ain't gonna cap, you know what I'm saying? Because he sent me one that he had did previously before, and it just was turning me up. I'm talking about it was so loud. Bro, the road is so bumpy, it's blowing the hell out of me. And then it's like when you bobtailing, it's just 10 times worse without that weight of that trailer, man. It's hell in the back on these bumpy ass roads. But hey, we gonna make the best of it, you feel me? We gonna make the best of it, you feel me? But yeah, man, I'm about to head on over, pull up on my man's Debo, you know what I'm saying? And he about to get this thing knocking off the meat racks, you know what I'm saying? Got the complete system and everything like that. So I don't know exactly how he gonna install it and stuff like that. But I mean, we got the new radio, all type of stuff. I still got to get a CB. Y'all see I got the CB demonstration right there. I got to go ahead and get. It's still a whole lot of stuff I got to go ahead and get done. But hey, it's just a work in progress. Trying to get everything done gradually. You know what I'm saying? What I can say is that, you know what I'm saying, Rosey has been mega smooth on the road. You know what I'm saying? The mechanics got this thing overly suited and booted. You know what I'm saying? And she been road trooping. And you know what I'm saying? Moving and grooving with no issues. Gotta bang them gears. Gotta bang them gears. Ain't no auto around this demonstration. Ain't no auto around this demonstration, gang. You feel me? Banging gears, you know what I'm saying? Super 10 gang, you feel me? It's the lazy man trans, but hey, I like it, you know what I mean? Eventually, you know, we want to put a 13 in this thing so I can really be in them peak of them gears, just be whoop, 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 whoop. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I got a bunch of plans for this thing, but yeah. I'm gonna cut this thing off. Fucking train tracks, boy. I hate this. I'm telling y'all, boy. Woo! Cruise on over them train tracks. You feel me? Cruise on over them tracks. Cause, ooh, almost missed the gear. Look at you, boy. You know what I'm saying? Trying to bang these demonstrations for y'all, man. You feel me? Super 10 gang. You feel me? Yeah, man, but when I get on over there, I'm gonna cut this thing back on. I gotta go ahead and focus on here. I'm gonna give me some mounts. If y'all can, drop in the comment section some good mounts, you know what I'm saying? Probably like a dash mount so I can put one on the dash, and then probably like a mount right here somewhere so y'all can get like a driver's view type deal, you know what I'm saying? So I can start bringing y'all along with me when I work. I got a head mount for my GoPro, so I might just start twerking that as well. Y'all let me know if y'all want me to bring, you know what I'm saying, some of the trucking content up in there as I'm going to work, you know what I'm saying? If it's a smooth type of day, then I'll go ahead and try and bring it to y'all. But I ain't gonna lie, as I've been working, you know, we trying to get in and out. I am not trying to sit around, cut a camera on and get no footage. I'm trying to pull in, get this stuff loaded or unloaded, and get to the next destination, you feel me? So I can go ahead and park and get to the money the next day and the next day and the next day and the next and next, you feel me? But yeah, I might try and bring some vlogs to y'all with it and everything. But you know, every time I sauce this thing up, you know, I'm gonna bring it on to y'all so y'all get an update of how Rosey moving and grooving. So hopefully after this one, y'all go ahead and see she gonna be banging, bang. I ain't gonna even be able to really play it. I'm gonna put a little short or something on here for y'all so y'all can hear how loud she is, because you know how they be amazing with the copyright, you know what I'm saying? So don't worry about it. I'm gonna make sure y'all hear this demonstration, man. So y'all sit tight, and I gotta get there because I'm running a little late. But hey, I had to gas up and everything. Pre-trip, mandatory every time, you know what I'm saying? We ain't never sleeping on that, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir, yes, sir. So get with y'all in a minute, gang. It's old school on over there. I don't know if it's gonna focus in and let us get it. Y'all see him? Look at clean, my boy. Bus up there. Yeah, let me get on over, y'all.
A few minutes later.
Y'all see that demonstration? Oh, wait. Yes, sir. Your boy Lowski over there getting that work in. I'm gonna have to go ahead and get over him and vlog that demonstration, gang. I don't even think he see me over here either. He gonna see himself on the young vlog, goddammit. Yes, sir. That thing on some 8s too. Sounding healthy. Sneak peek to something. Somebody getting some monstrous stuff going on. We gotta go over there and get a vlog at they shop as well, y'all. Ooh, that thing looking good on them eights. I ain't gonna sit here and lie. Oh yeah, it got a suspension on there too. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That thing looking good. Suspension on there. Gang, gang, gang. Y'all see, man. Over here chilling with Unc. Got these two old school beasts looking nasty. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You know what I'm talking about? But yeah, I know I ain't give y'all an update of the music because I literally had to pick the truck up to literally to work. Yeah, I'm at a loss of mind. It's been a long day today, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. It's been a long week. You know, I gotta still get the cameras and everything like that so I can vlog for y'all while I'm working. But this shit right now, I ain't vlog time. Goddamn it, shit. I ain't gonna lie. Especially the way this week went. Hell no. You know what I mean? But I'm gonna try and bring it to y'all. Y'all know it's good, bad. Y'all like to see the good, the bad, the real. So you know, bring it to y'all, and you know what I'm saying. I just gotta get me some mounts and everything like that, some GoPros and stuff like that. Like I said, but. Let me show y'all what we working with right now. You know what I'm saying? Show y'all what we got going on because the inside is a little bust down in this demonstration. Radio all the way out. And Debo took all the stuff out of here. You know, so I don't know if y'all remember, but I had a whole cubby and all that. The speakers over there. You know what I'm saying? So he had to take all this stuff down so he can go ahead and get the speakers wired all up and everything like that. Y'all see, bed still not in here, nothing like that, but got it. So by the end of this weekend, it should be a big transformation, as y'all can see, man. Unc right now getting your boy together on the young CB, hooking up the young antennas in this demonstration. Y'all see, CB life. Got to use a little bit of that over there too, you know what I'm saying, for the roof. Got a little tad bit leak, but that ain't nothing. That Flex Seal, get your boy Renite. You know what I'm talking about? But yeah, let's go ahead and bop out to see how that one young antenna looking on this demonstration. You feel me? See how that, oh yeah. Oh yeah, that thing sit tall. Oh yeah, that thing sit tall. Yes, sir. Yeah, that antenna look good on there, I ain't gonna lie.
I ain't even got the second one on there yet.
Yeah, that antenna look good up there. It's nice and tall. You see how Unc got his demonstrations. He making sure your boy right, man. This young Pete be looking, ooh. We be looking good back to back, you know what I'm saying? The young Freight Classic, you know what I'm saying? The young Pete 379. Unc, what's your nickname in your demonstration?
Diesel Duck.
Diesel Duck and Rosey. Tearing up the street gang. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You don't know no other way.
Yes, sir. Yeah, getting that young CB on that thing so I could be in communication with everybody, you know what I'm saying? Mandatory, that's something that everybody say I should have been put up in this demonstration. So, hey, it's getting done right now. Then I'm literally dropping off the truck back to him this weekend. So this weekend, all the music will be in here, and this thing gonna be beating off the meat racks. You feel me? Pulling down there like I'm in a Box Chevy type of time. I might have to get the hat on and bang that demonstration, you feel me? Something, I don't know what I'm gonna do. But yeah, I'm gonna be moving and grooving and stizzle with that young rhythm. I ain't gonna lie, it's been a hell of a long 6 weeks with no music. I think your boy damn near got road rage at this point now, you know what I'm saying? So it's definitely mandatory. I need that young music in there now. But man, I ain't gonna hold y'all up too long. We about to get this stuff all suited and booted on here. And then y'all just stay tuned, gang. So sit tight, and it is what it is. Let's go. Yes, sir. Yeah, CB demonstration. We're gonna do a radio check. Make sure this thing and that thing light up red too. Yes, sir. Unc got your boy right.
Radio check.
Oh yeah, that bitch. Oh yeah, I can hear you loud and clear.
I appreciate it, man. I hear you with the loud and clear there. I was just checking out my man radio there. We working on it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Ooh, got the young CV twerking in this thing now. Uh-huh.